Making the jump from trusty pen and paper to digital note-taking can already feel like a big investment, but Montblanc has decided to raise the bar even higher with its latest creation, the digital paper e-note. Known for its luxury pens, Montblanc has now stepped into the tech space with a device that blends sophistication with digital convenience. This project has been 3 years in the making, born out of a collaboration between Montblanc and design studio Aka. The goal? To give creative thinkers, writers, and professionals a sleek, distraction-free space where they can jot down ideas, sketch, or annotate with ease. The display is powered by e-ink, though Montblanc hasn't revealed the exact type, and comes in a monochrome format. It's protected by a glass layer and wrapped in an elegant aluminum body that fits the brand's premium aesthetic. Of course, no Montblanc product would be complete without a pen, and this one looks very much inspired by the company's iconic fineliners. It's not just about looks, though. The pen offers haptic feedback, 4,000 levels of sensitivity, replaceable tips, and wireless charging. There's even a neat magnetic attachment spot on the front of the e-note, so it's always within reach. The pen connects to the device via Bluetooth 5.4, but don't expect to use it for wireless audio. It's strictly for input. To round things out, Montblanc also provides a companion mobile app for syncing and managing your notes. Connectivity is another thoughtful touch. With dual-band Wi-Fi built in, you can share notes, back up your ideas, or keep everything seamlessly updated. The e-note includes 64 gigabytes of storage, which is more than enough for journals, planners, or even storyboards. Montblanc has also included a variety of templates, such as daily planners and travel journals, so it can adapt to different needs. Powering everything is a 3,740 mAh battery that charges over USB-C, though Montblanc hasn't given details on how long it lasts per charge. In terms of size, the device measures 222 by 191 by 4.9 millimeters, which likely means you're working with a 10.3-inch display. It weighs 436 grams, with the pen adding another 17 grams. While it's not feather-light, it's still portable enough to carry around without much hassle. Here's the part that really sets it apart: its price tag. At $905, the Montblanc Digital Paper e-note is significantly more expensive than competitors like the Remarkable or Pocketbook. But then again, Montblanc isn't really targeting the average consumer. This isn't their first attempt at digital note-taking, but unlike their earlier augmented paper line, this is a full-fledged e-paper device. And from what's clear, it's less about breaking new technological ground and more about serving as a luxury statement piece. So, if you're someone who values both digital convenience and a touch of prestige, Montblanc's digital paper e-note might be just the kind of elegant tool you'd love to have in your bag. It's not the most cutting-edge gadget, but it's undeniably stylish. And in the world of Montblanc, style and status are very much the point.